How to find saved files on Steam PC. So if you want to find saved files on your Steam PC, then what you need to do is first, we need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to search for Steam on your PC and then open up your Steam and make sure that you've logged into your account with your correct credentials. After opening your Steam, you need to go with the top left, which has that library section. And under library, you need to go with the game that you have on your device and then right click on it. After that, go with properties, and under properties, you'll find an option of installed files. You need to click on it. After that, you need to go with the right side, which has that browse section, and click on browse local files. And after that, it will take you to this kind of interface. It's important to note that some games might store saved data in separate locations, such as your documents folder. So in some cases, checking the game's configuration files or documentation might be necessary. And there you have it. You now have access to your game's local files, whether you want to back up your progress, investigate a saved issue, or experiment with mods. This is the folder you'll be interacting with. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.